you would have been more excited. Like,
I am. Oh my gosh.
then drop the ball.
I was waiting for this to stay forever.
Like your strength positive.
Oh my goodness. And don't.
You got it?
I got it.
Wow.
Okay, it's.
What does he have?
He has a Moltres.
Oh, so you use some of that.
Articuno. Oh, and do you know what's really funny? I clicked on a gem and then I thought, oh my god, there's a green Articuno. I instantly clicked off of it and I clicked on the Articuno. No way! I know. Yes, it no, like on Thursday I got 2 shinies. Today I get a glaren bird. That's one of the glaren birds I've been hunting down too. It's really like high CP. It's 2,752.
Oh my god.
I know.
What's
It's like really bum IVs. It's fine though. I'm fine. An Articuno though. The chances. Yeah. Thanks to you, Dada. You're the one who said, should you put it on? Then I said yes. Don't give a damn. When I say out into tears, baby, don't share. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance the night away. I still keep the body running, I want hair on the place. Lately, I've been running close to the edge. Still be looking my best. I say I'm like you can count on me. I am working on things. Streaks me again, don't give a damn. When the night here, I'm blue tears, baby, don't share. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the body running, I want that on the place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, let's feel alive. I don't play safe, don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. I'm coming, I'm running head on the place. Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the body running, I want hair on the place. My heart breaks, I know world shakes. Let's feel alive, get alive. I don't play safe, don't you know about me? I don't even care if there's a little bit of time left over when we get to the front veggie shop.
Yeah.
Honestly.
How much time have you got left?
6 minutes. No, 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay, well, I forgot. I don't actually have to go to the fruit veggie shop, but I've got to go there. So I'm just gonna.
Just never wiser. The nights become my afternoons. When my depression. And it's the one I wanted too. I knew passing up that Moltres would be worth it. Prices and vices, I end up paying prices. Here is all this stuff. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you leaving. 'Cause you got tired of my scheming for the last time. It's me.
offline game, so it's okay. For the anti-hero.
Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. To be the hangout, slowly lurching toward your favorite city.
I can't believe it. And the high CP and the transport being a glaren Articuno as well. I don't know. If it was a Moltres, I would have probably tried to catch the Moltres rather than get used to Waspable. If it was a high CP, then that's a different story. But if it was a Zapdos, I would probably think about using my Master Ball. And if it was a high CP, no hesitation.
Hero. I have a dream, my daughter kills me.
No, it's actually my second favorite, but I already have 2 Moltresses. And I traded away one of my Zapdoses, one of my one of my Articunos, so yeah, that's why.
Me, die from the problem
Is
is
there a spawning
me.
next to right here? Yeah, there is. I'm just going to turn around up here, and then you'll insert you when I get back.
Okay, sweet.
Everybody agrees
This was like one of the best alien sensors, honestly.